Bolaven waterfalls. Or waterfall. So, what would we just do, Kels?
Trekked for nothing.
So we trekked about, I don't know, half a kilometer down to see nothing really. Just more trees, and realized that we were still pretty much halfway down, not even a third of the way down. It's not as easy as it seems, but that's massive. Might not be able to talk in here, but 100 meters. It's beautiful though. So that's a trip. Needed more time. Sun's going down, so it's 5 o'clock. Couldn't do it. If we had a whole day, we might have been able to do it, but not today. Good sweat, though. We had to start going because it's very misty. But cleared up as soon as we left. So.